怕哦！哦天哪！你赶快过去！
A strong earthquake struck off the coast of eastern Taiwan on Monday evening with shaking felt in the capital Taipei. The Weather Bureau said the quake measured 6.0 in magnitude and hit at the relatively shallow depth of 19 kilometers. The U.S. Geological Survey put the magnitude higher at 6.2. The epicenter was given in the sea 56 kilometers east of the coastal city of Hualien. The strongest impact was recorded in Taipei and in parts of Ilan, measuring 4 on Taiwan's 7-level intensity scale. Walls creaked as office buildings shook in Taipei, the capital. Lights swayed in mirrors and pictures fell to the floor. A local television station aired video taken during the quake in its newsroom in New Taipei showing televisions and lamps shaking. Other video reports showed damage to a wall in Taipei's district court. No major property destruction was reported. Taipei's MRT subway system kept running after the quake. It is reported that the earthquake lasted nearly 1 minute, but the mobile phones of local people did not sound the event prevention alarm. Taiwan is regularly hit by earthquakes as the island lies near the junction of 2 tectonic plates.